Hi guys, welcome to Food and Living. Since it's festive season, it's definitely a must to indulge in some goodies. And here I'm showing Rasogulla recipe using the store-bought paneer. I've taken about 100 grams or 1 cup of paneer. Let's grate it, and with the help of a grater, we'll grate it and then we'll start kneading it with our palm. This is a crucial step where the kneading is required for about 15 to 20 minutes until your hand starts feeling greasy. That is when you have to stop it, and you have to knead it for about 15 minutes until you get this kind of a consistency where it is very soft and your hands will start greasy. So this is a crucial step. You may have to do this 1 or 2 times to know the right consistency. This is where the trick lies, and tricky part too. So making a ball of this size would be ideal, as it will double and triple in size when we add it into sugar syrup. So for the sugar syrup, what we will do is we'll take 1 cup of sugar and 2 cups of water in the ratio 1:2, that is, and we'll just have to boil the sugar and melt the sugar, and we do not need any string consistency here. I have also added cardamom so the flavors get infused into it, which can be removed later. I've just added it directly. And trick to know if it is cooked, which will take about 20 minutes, is to place the rasgulla into a glass of water. If it is floating, then it is ready, and if it is sinking, then you have to boil it a little further. Do not overboil it, as it will become too elastic and the sponginess would be lost. So that is again a little crucial step. That is where you have to get a little experience in making it. But nevertheless, you can definitely try it, as it will turn out very spongy and nice, very juicy, spongy, fresh, yummy rasgulla, as you can see.